things like with the ratchet, he might not be able to hear it, but he can physically feel it click. So we're learning how to use our other senses that honestly maybe I overlooked being somebody that could hear, right? I'm not really thinking about the feeling of it, but having a student here being able to like use my like other senses with him to be able to figure out how to explain things to him. That, you know, just finding different ways and how do we adapt instead of I can't do this, it's just how can I adapt to do it.
We learn about how to take apart an engine and put it back together, oil change, and to change the air filter. I already got accepted to an ACE program for my junior and senior year.
Most people have some kind of small engine with them, right? If you live at a house, you have a blower, a generator, a lawnmower, a weed eater, they all got small engines, right? So these students being able to take them apart, know the internals, I know the principles of it and how it works, but also now I can put my hands on it and understand, hey, this is how it works. I can see the valves opening and closing. I can see the piston going up and down, and I understand what it's doing. It's not just, hey, watch this YouTube video and maybe I can figure it out. We're actually putting hands on with an instructor. I think it has a lot of practicality, and the students are learning and having a good time. That's what it's all about.